Hello and welcome everyone to the GoLang tutorial series. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. So let's begin with installation of Go. So let's start. This is Go documentation at URL go.dev/doc. From here, what we will do, we'll click on installing Go. It will take us to a web page where we will get the instructions for downloading and installing Go on various systems like Linux, Mac and Windows. We'll be using Windows for programming as well as launching Go program. We'll be downloading the Go binary on Windows. Let us first download. So we'll be clicking on download 1.22.5, that is the latest version. From here you can download the binary as per your system. You can download the binary for GoLang compiler for Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS based on architecture ARM 8664, or you can download it for Linux as well. So from here there are also some stable version tar zz file or package file that you can download from below here based on your architecture and OS. So let us download it for Windows. That would be this one. As soon as we click, it start downloading the GoLang compiler for us. In a few seconds it will get downloaded, and then we'll start installation process. Okay, for installation steps you can consider this documentation go.dev/doc/install for installation. For Windows you can just double click on the installer. I will just show you. Yeah. For Linux and Mac you can do the required by following these steps. For double click, it will start the installing process. From here you have to do just next, I accept, and then next. Yeah, so do you want to allow this app to make changes to it? Yes. And you can check the version using Go version. So let us check if the program has successfully downloaded and installed using the command Go version. You can copy it from here. Let us check it on our command prompt. Go and version. See, it is showing Go version, that is 1.22.5 Windows AMD 64. This is the version that we have downloaded by clicking previously over here. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and put your queries in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G to follow up with the latest videos. Thank you.